broadcast. But if you want to schedule it, like we were doing for Sesh Club, then you can put schedule letter. You can upload it. Yes, sir. You can upload a thumbnail image like this. You can upload any thumbnail image.
And any picture.
Yes, sir. Like I have uploaded one of our seminar. So
Okay.
they will usually the size is this A4 size horizontal in
Okay.
landscapes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Then and other shapes don't find it compatible in that. Then after applying it, we just need to give the time, schedule the time. Suppose it is 10th September, 8:10 p.m. So then we need to create the broadcast.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have created a private, so no one will be able to see it.
Okay. Only the member. Okay. The only. Okay.
Yes, sir. Then after that, now this broadcast is created. Sir,
Okay.
then usually means if means usually only one or two hosts are present during this broadcast, because if more number of hosts are there, then there will be crowding in the studio. So
Okay.
we give
Arman,
access
Arman,
to this. Yeah.
Arman, can you please tell sir about what is private, public, and unlisted mode of
Yes.
broadcasting?
Yeah. Sir, private means in this private anyone can view this. Means suppose they search your channel, this Sesh Club of NIT Raulkela, then
Mm-hmm.
anyone in the world they can connect to you directly. They can see what all events you have scheduled and what all events videos you have uploaded. If your video is unlisted, then it means anyone with the link can view it. Means suppose
Acha.
you click this and view on YouTube, then only I'll be getting this. Continue to YouTube. Sir, here I have logged in using my Gmail ID, so I am not getting this video link. But
Okay.
if I would have logged in using this Sesh Club and this ID, then it would be seen. So only the
Okay.
one, only with this private means only whose email ID is there, then they can only view it. And in this
Okay.
unlisted, anyone
Basically,
with
they have
the
to
YouTube
link.
link they can view. Means without the link they can't view it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Means suppose you
And
send a YouTube link, then they can view it, or else they
and
can't.
and the public.
Public, anyone can. Means they can directly search it and view it, or they can directly go with your link. Means it will
Okay,
also
so
be available in this searching.
so for the event it should be public.
Yes, sir. For the event, generally it should be public.
And also you should share the link to the interested student or
Yes, sir.
candidate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can share it like this. You can play this view on YouTube. You can click here. Then directly the YouTube that screen will be displayed. There you can copy the link and share it to the students.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And
So, sir,
sir,
I'm sharing it.
if your content is quite confidential and you want to share it among a few member or limited number of people, then you can go for unlisted mode of broadcasting. In that,
Okay.
whomever you will share the YouTube link, then they will be only able to see the video,
Yeah.
no one else.
Okay. Okay. Just like MS Team.
Yes, sir. Sir, here I have now placed
Yes, sir.
unlisted. So I have the link so I can view it. And if you search in a channel, then you can't view it.
Okay.
So after going there, you can directly this copy this link, this one, YouTube.
Okay.
You copy it, then you can send it to anyone. Like I am sending you in this Teams.
Yeah. Team.
Yes, sir. This link is there now. If you click it, then you can view the channel that I have the video profile that I have created.
Yeah. It is showing that waiting
Yes, sir.
scheduled time on September. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Live in 2 days, September 10. Yes, sir. So
Yes.
this is
Yes.
for unlisted, or else we can also have that yeah, public. But for every event, generally you should have it public.
Mm-hmm.
And sir, now this is for students while sharing the link to the students. And
Mm-hmm.
if you have to invite a guest to the speaker who will be speaking it, then
Mm-hmm.
you just enter this menu and then invite a guest. This
Okay.
invite a guest.
Okay. That
This will
email ID, that stream ID
that
will
one.
be there. Okay.
This
Okay.
link will be there. You can directly. So it is same as the link that we were sending you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Then you can
Okay.
directly You send this link, they will on clicking they will be given the access.
Basically, speaker will be able to join using this link directly.
Yes, sir. They can join it, but they won't be able to control the other speakers or other things of the studio. Those
Okay,
people
okay,
who have logged in using this ID, they can only control the host and everything.
okay, okay.
And those who have joined using this, they can just give their speech. They can just turn on or turn off their videos and all like that only.
Okay,
Sir, you will
so
get that much access that you will get.
basically the speaker and who want to control, they will have this link, StreamYard
No,
link.
sir. Those who want to control, they will log in to this website.
Account.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
All the speakers will be having this link.
yes, sir.
But
This link is only for the speakers. Means those who will join us, but
Okay,
they will not have control on our this
okay,
on our
okay,
Like
okay. Yes,
like
Samarth,
like
yeah.
means
in the program
suppose
of
I am the
webinar.
host and sir, suppose we are the host, then we will be controlling when we will go live. We'll be controlling which speaker should be on the screen at a time and which speaker won't be there at the screen. We'll be controlling that which videos will be shown, which PPTs will be shown, and all. So that we'll have to log into this site, and those speaker will just come to speak, or they can also share their PPTs using this link,
Okay,
but they
okay,
will not
okay.
have access to our
Basically,
this.
behind the basically online things, the StreamYard group will be there. They will control the things, and speaker all the things will be. They will join through this link only.
Yes, a speaker will be
Oh,
joining through this link, and those who will be controlling it, they will log into this website
ah,
because
StreamYard
it's
website. Okay.
yes, sir. Okay,
Then
sir.
control means what? How they will control?
Yes, sir. I'll show
Uh,
it next.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So suppose your time has arrived now, means your scheduled time. Then you just have to press this enter broadcast studio.
mm-hmm. Basically, that we should do before 15 minutes to 30 minutes of that
30 minutes
broadcast.
is good for that, but it depends on you. So then you can have your camera or not. Then you can mute it or not. Depends upon you. Then yes, sir. Then give your name to be displayed, and you can also edit your avatar. Means you can add a photo
Okay.
here. So once you open, you will be able to know everything. Then enter broadcast studio
Mm-hmm.
again. So the screen will be like this. Those who will be controlling the complete site, their screen will be like this. You can add someone to screen just by placing this
And you
cursor.
do one thing. You ask one of our faculty, with Professor Guchait or Professor Rakhi Das. Okay. Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, you just ask to join.
Okay, sir. I'm sending the invite link.
Yeah. Professor Guchait and Professor Rakhi Das, you just
Yes,
please
sir.
join the group so that you can see what is happening.
Sir, I've sent the invite link in the chat. You can just
Yes.
click it to join. So initially when someone joins this means who has logged in, then they will be in the backstage, and if you add to stream like this, then now I am on the stream.
Hello.
Okay, then what?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arman, why
Yes,
you are
sir.
not able to see your picture here? You just make video on
Sir,
so
I
that
have
we
not
can see.
added my avatar. Sir, let me add it then.
Yes.
Now it is visible. This I have added a logo.
Okay, this is your one image. If you want to
Yes,
add
sir.
your direct
Sir,
live
you want,
video,
Yes,
Okay,
sir. If I turn up my video, then my logo, this photo will be.
okay.
Yes, sir. So now,
Just oh, Arman, you just wait. Some noise is coming. Which noise you have to hide it? Yeah. Okay, now it's
yes,
over.
sir. Professor Samlal and Professor Rakhi, they have already joined.
Okay. Okay. Samuel and your Raki, Professor Raki. Yes,
Yes, sir.
it is showing here. Okay.
Sir and ma'am, sir, can you shift to this Microsoft Teams wants to see you how it is being seen in my screen?
Microsoft Team.
Yes, sir. Sir, let them see the my screen how it is looking when someone has joined your screen, joined the stream. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, you can see the screen, my screen.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, sir. Now they have joined. So you can see their name here, Professor Samlal and Rakhi. Professor Rakhi.
He is not Samuel. He is Samuel.
Yes.
Which
Shamal.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Shamal.
Samal. Yes, sir. So Professor Samal and Professor Rakhi, they have joined, but they are still till now not added to the screen. So only the
Okay.
host can add them. Suppose I want to add them, then I'll just press add to stream
Okay.
and this add to stream. So now currently they are on the screen. Yes, sir. And if I
Okay.
want to remove them, I'll just remove them like this.
Okay.
Uh, so this is all about how we'll start the stream, yeah. And
Now, if
sir,
suppose
yes,
Professor Samuel want to share his screen, then how to do that?
share his stream.
The screen, basically, that your computer.
Computer, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here there will be an option called share screen below your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, from MS Team or say that.
No, sir. In this Google Chrome
Okay,
StreamYard
okay.
platform, there is an option called share screen.
Okay.
Share screen.
Samuel, can you see that the options there in the StreamYard?
No.
In the StreamYard, you just see, check in a StreamYard
Sir,
link.
you have left from the stream. Can you please join again so that you can view your screen
Is
on
it joined
StreamYard platform?
from where? The chat box.
From the chat box, you will get the link.
Sir, that yes, sir, that link, and you have to click that and join the studio.
Both Professor Rakhi and Professor Samuel both left that StreamYard.
Yeah.
No, but your name is not showing here. Your name should show here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Professor
Samuel,
Sam.
yes.
Now you can see.
Yes, sir. You have
Yes.
joined.
But
I'm adding.
what is that share with things?
In the
Camera,
StreamYard,
microphone, chat is there.
unmute, start cam, meet, share screen.
So there will be an option called share screen.
Sir, beside cam or mic option, there is an option called share screen.
But I cannot see here.
Okay.
Sir, in the StreamYard platform.
Can you
Actually,
join?
I am doing it mobile now. Maybe that's the reason.
Okay, Subham,
No,
yeah,
sir.
Subham, you,
In the mobile
Subham,
phone, it will not be
Subham.
shown.
Subham,
Okay.
you do one thing. You also join and let us
Shubham,
see
you
the
Okay, sir.
demo.
join
Okay, sir.
with
Okay,
this
sir.
invite link
Yeah.
and share your
Okay,
screen.
sir. I'm joining. Okay, join. Arman, add me in the stream.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, sir, as you
No,
can see,
Subham, you do one thing now. Subham, you now have to share your screen and you have to show that
Yes,
file
Subham.
that
Yes, sir, I am showing that. Sir, besides the cam and mic option, there is an option called share screen. You have to click that. if you want to share anything, then
Shubham, your screen is not visible.
Your screen is not visible, Subham.
okay, sir. Just wait a second. Sir, now is it visible?
Now just wait. Yes.
It is
Uh,
visible.
so, sir, besides the camera and mic option, there is an option called share screen. If you want to share any PPT or PDF like that, you can share through selecting share screen. What you have to do is you have to click the share screen option. Now I just clicked it, and it will open a dialog box like this that you either you want to share your entire screen, means your entire desktop screen, or only the application window. Application window means if you have opened any PPT or PDF in the background, then it will be shown as in the application window.
So
Now,
best way is to share the screen. Whatever you
yes,
will
sir.
do with the screen,
Yes,
that
sir.
will
Yes, sir.
show. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, share the
Uh,
screen is easier, but if you share the application window, then that will be better. Means usually, suppose you
yes,
want to
sir.
skip to the screen, then it won't affect you that live.
Sir,
Okay.
while you share your entire screen, there may be a chance of lagging the video or, and audio problems. So it's better
Okay.
if you share your application window. Like here, I have selected the application window, and in
Mm-hmm.
below the application window, there are three options. Like one is showing Foundation Engineering, and one is showing StreamYard, and one is Microsoft Teams. If I want
Okay.
to, want to
So if
share
you
the,
if you want to share a PPT, then PPT should
Subham,
open it.
yes,
you
sir.
open just one
Yeah.
PPT and show it.
Actually, I have opened a PPT in the background, but it's not showing. Okay, so I am sharing my entire
Maybe
screen.
you have minimized that, so it is not showing.
Yes.
No,
Okay.
it has.
Okay. I am sharing my entire screen, sir. That will be better, I guess. So I have clicked the entire screen option, and
Only you have
Arman,
to
why I'm
no
not
no.
able to share?
You have to select the screen. You have to select the screen.
Acha,
Yeah.
okay, okay, sorry.
Yes. Yeah.
Then I will click on share,
Share
and
audio
after,
also.
yes, after that, whatever will be on my screen, that will be visible. Like, sir, are you able to see the PPT? I have opened it.
PPT is showing in
Yeah, it is
somewhere in that,
visible. PPT is
but
visible.
PPT is visible in that bottom line.
Yes, sir. Sir,
It's not.
then after that, just as I have added the professors to the stream, there will be
Okay.
also an option on that PPT.
How
Shubham, I
just
am sharing my screen. Just a minute.
okay.
Okay.
Sir, you can see here. There is an option here for Shubham Das. Shubham, you open
Okay.
the PPT. You can see here in the backstage, we can see whatever he has opened. Now, suppose
Okay.
you want to add him to the screen, then we just need to put this add to stream option,
Okay. Okay.
and this PPT will be
Sir,
visible.
whoever is controlling, like whoever has logged in the StreamYard, he or she can control these activities. No, the
Okay.
guest cannot control these
Yeah.
activities.
Yes. 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 Guest
Suppose
only
you
can
want
see
to
that
remove,
video only.
Yes, sir. He has only
Okay.
access over himself, like muting or his mic or camera, but he
Okay.
cannot add himself or herself to the stream and remove
yes.
herself or himself.
Suppose I
Okay.
want to remove him, remove this PPT, then I can also put this remove. But the
Okay.
PPT will be still there in the backstage,
Backside.
and it will
Yes.
remain till the guest has allowed it. And when the guest
Okay.
stops sharing, then we will move out.
Then
So,
how
sir,
you can
another option,
add that now? How can add that video in the left side? The image is showing. How you can add that live video there?
live video.
It's in the left side column. The Sesh
Here,
Cloud, Tamal, and Somdas is showing. Then how we can enable that video mode instead of your image mode?
sir, you can directly open this. Subham, can you share a video
Wait.
No, no. I'm
from
asking why
Telegram?
Subham picture is not showing. Subham image. Okay, probably Subham has only enable his image, not that your video mode, live mode, camera mode.
Yes, sir. Subham's
Yes, sir.
photo is
Yes, sir.
visible.
Okay, if Subham open this,
Okay, sir. I am
yeah,
sharing
just
one
enable the
video.
yes, 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 video mode. You just enable the video mode. In a StreamYard, you don't have to do.
Sir, So it is the same as other things. Suppose you want to share a video, then just press the share screen,
Okay.
and it will be their entire screen or application window.
Okay.
Sir, let me open a video before that. Video.
Arman, you are sharing a video or I should share?
No, you share it. If you want, you can share it.
Okay, I'm
Just add
sharing the
to
video.
the share your screen on Microsoft Teams.
Is it visible?
Yeah.
So I have selected one video. After clicking on share screen, you can share the video.
Subham, please show that share your entire screen.
What?
Share your screen on this Microsoft Teams, because Google Chrome part was not visible. Subham, hello.
Yes, just doing.
Yeah.
Sir, here I can select application window. I have opened a video in the background. I am showing you from the beginning.
But your screen, you have to share the screen to show.
Sir, I clicked on share screen, and from the
Subham,
application
your
window,
screen is
I
not
on
visible
the
in
Yeah.
Microsoft
No,
Teams.
your screen is not visible here.
but I have shared the screen.
One more time you share, it will work.
Okay. Visible now.
Yeah, it is visible now.
So here I go for share screen option. In the share screen, I selected application window. Below the application window, I can see many options. From the options, I selected the video.
Just nothing is visible. Only your black screen.
Subham, your audio is only visible.
Only this.
Like this. Are you able to see it?
No. Only some network issue is there. You do one thing. You share one more
I am
time.
showing it, Subham.
Yeah, yes. So yes.
Yes, sir. I am showing it. Sir, is it visible in Teams?
No, just wait.
Now it is visible.
Sir, this Google Chrome part is visible, right? Hello. Sir, you can see my Chrome screen?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, there is an option here called share screen. This is for host. So when I share my screen, here there is option entire screen or application window. So I click on application window. So there are three windows at my stream. One is StreamYard, another is Microsoft Teams, and another is video. So I have to share the video. So just click on this video and share. So you can see the video completely. Is the video visible, sir?
No, not yet.
Is it visible,
Subhajit, can you see the video? But I can't.
No. Only the one black screen is coming.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am trying through another platform. Just a minute. Teams.
There can be that some type of glitch can come. Okay, so for that reason, you should enter in this stream at least 15 minutes or 30 minutes before that
Yes, sir.
live. Okay, so you should sort out all the
Sir,
things.
a stable network connection is must required for sharing anything.
Okay, stable network connection. Okay. No, that is speakers will have, because speaker normally used to give the lecture all the things to institute network. Okay, so probably they all the speaker will have that stable network. Only for that audience there may be some problem, but for the speaker and that host, they all will have your good network.
Sir, audience problem won't affect anyone because they will
Yes,
be seeing it from YouTube Live.
you will have.
And
Yes.
yes, sir. And if any of the host also has a problem, then it will not affect the other hosts.
Okay, only one host.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
but
It depends on individual.
main host, but the main host should have that proper network.
No, sir. That is not a criteria. Even if I have started this live and suppose my current goes off and my laptop is disconnected, then if whenever I join, this video will go uninterrupted.
Okay.
Means it depends on the individual platform.
Sir, can you see my Chrome screen now?
No, actually you are showing black.
Due to network issue, it is happening like this.
Okay, maybe.
So I have started using this Telegram, so I am showing it. StreamYard. Okay. Sir, you can see the go screen.
No, all you are showing the black screen.
Now.
Yes, sir.
Now it is showing.
Yes, sir. So this you'll just press the share screen. Then there is the application window, and here this media viewer. Sir, I am showing using Telegram. Means the video I am showing using Telegram because usually it is feasible. So media viewer. Then this my video is already open in this Telegram. So I share it. You can see the video.
Yes.
Yeah.
So sir, I can also means here there are many layout. So you can press this layout. In this layout, it will be completely means the video will completely occupy the screen and other speakers won't be there on the screen. And whoever is sharing the video, their screen they should be added to the screen and they should be unmute, or else the sound of the video won't be heard.
Okay. All basically
Yes,
for
that
the
happened
video.
in our first. So in our first video that happened that sound was not audible. Yes, sir. So you have to unmute yourself. Suppose I have added, so I'll unmute myself.
Okay, so who will add? He need to unmute. Otherwise,
Yes,
or all the member in that
no,
stream
sir.
should be.
Yes, sir. All other members, you can also remove them from the stream.
For the time being,
the video will be there on the stream, and the one who is presenting the video, they should be there in the stream, and their mic should be unmuted.
Unmuted, yes.
Or else the video sound won't be audible. And then just I am this shifting my tab to others, and I press the play button.
Basically, this only this much things are there.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So the video is now visible.
And sir, if you have used any earphone or Bluetooth device, then your audio won't be audible. For that, you have to disconnect all the earphone or headphone or whatever you are using.
What you are saying, I'm not getting. Suppose I'm connected through earphone. So what will happen?
Sir, if you are connected to the earphone, then the background music won't be audible to the audience.
Okay, but if I am that your speaker, then also, or
Yes,
only for the your host.
Arman, can you
No.
show
Actually,
that
Subham,
part?
it depends. It depends. Means if you even if you have joined through
Okay, you
your
do one thing, Arman. You just share that whatever things you are saying here. We try to explain through a video and show us how it is happening.
sir. Actually, this one is same. Means it depends upon your this microphone of your this earphone. Suppose you have a microphone in your earphone, then it
Hmm.
will be audible. And if you don't
Okay,
have,
okay. I understand.
yes, sir. Means usually many people they change their earphones, so there is no microphone in that new earphone. So the audio won't be audible.
Okay, if microphone is there, then it will be audible.
Yes,
Otherwise,
sir. If
not.
microphone is there, then it won't be a problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So yes, sir. So you have to share the video like this, and other things, sir. In this, and before if suppose everything is ready now, then you just
Mm-hmm.
have to press this go live button.
Actually, echo is happening.
Yes, sir. Actually, my mic, it is my mic was on in this StreamYard platform, so it was echoing. Hello.
Yes, yes. You
So
continue.
now the echo is
Yeah.
close.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. So, sir, in the StreamYard platform, after you have everything is ready, means suppose all the speakers are ready and your scheduled time has reached, then you can directly press the go live button like this. Subham, uh, you can go to this YouTube page and give some comments.
Okay.
The video is unlisted, right?
Yes.
Let me check. Yeah, unlisted. So you go through that YouTube link only.
So how you check whether it is unlisted or not?
Sir, you would have placed it in the while starting the StreamYard place, or else directly you can see here edit option is there.
From edit options. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
there you can check here unlisted it is written.
okay.
Yes, sir. I'm sharing the link. Subham, you can go and give some comments in this video.
So
Yeah,
those.
you can go live now.
Yes. Okay. Sir, after you are all set, you can directly go live and
Okay, one more thing.
yes,
One
sir.
more question I have.
Yes, sir.
Suppose all the things are running smooth and one audience have some questions. So only he can put it or he also can be put in that video in the live also.
So they can be put in the video if you give them the StreamYard link, but it's
Okay.
better not to share that because usually it will cause a lot of problems. They will join and then you have to kick them out from the studio. Then another people you have to add. So it will take
Okay.
up a lot of time.
Long time.
Yes, sir. But if it is necessary, then you can just share the link that you have given the speaker.
Okay. No, sometimes what happen we don't know. It may happen that some professor also join your YouTube live from some NIT or some other college.
Yes, sir. If
Okay.
someone joins and he wants to come to the screen, then
Okay.
you can
Then.
just share the same invite link that you had sent to the speaker,
Okay. Okay.
and
Okay.
they will be able to join.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yes,
good.
sir. So we are going live. Yes, sir. Now the video is live.
Hmm.
Suppose I am adding this to stream. You want to show the video.
Who is running this video? Shubham or you?
Sir, I am running the video.
Okay.
Suppose the video is completed means I want to stop it. So then I just need to remove the video from the screen like this. Just I did now. Means
Okay.
remove from the screen. Then the speakers are there. Then they can just unmute themselves and talk. And suppose
Okay.
Subham, you can post a question on this live platform in the comments. So you can see the host can see the comments here.
Okay.
Here this option. They can directly post here in the comments. Hi. So it is being shown. This Sest Club of NIT Rourkela posted hi.
If you
So it
select that high, then it will show in the screen.
yes, sir. If you select it once, it will be shown on
So,
the screen. If
okay. Okay.
you click it another time, it will be here. And this one also, Even if we have not gone live, the comments will be visible. Means whoever has
Okay.
commented, it will be visible
Okay.
here.
Yes, yes.
Here Subham has posted this, so just clicking on it, it will be on the screen. Then you can directly reply to the question, read out the question and reply to the audience.
Or the speaker directly can read the question and give the answer. That will be the
Yes,
best
sir.
thing, I
And
think.
in the screen of the speaker also, there will be written a private chat option and another will be comments section.
Where is the private chat option?
Private chat, Subham.
Hello.
Yeah, you
Yes.
can share your that screen to show the private chat option.
Okay.
The guest link screen. Sir, one more thing before he shares, Subham. Just a minute. Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, sir. So suppose someone is giving some spam questions, means irrelevant questions and which are not related, and you want to delete them. So directly you can go to their comment. Suppose this is a spam question. Just click on this, and there will be option put user
Block
in
it.
timeout or block user.
Okay, what is the user in timeout?
Sir, in user in timeout, suppose I select the put user in timeout, then they cannot comment till 5 minutes.
Okay, okay,
They will be stopped to comment for 5 minutes, and suppose I put block user, then they can't comment at all.
okay.
Yes, sir. That are the two options. Sir, you can do that. Means you can, after seeing the question, then you can show the question anything you want. And there
So
is
how many questions used to come during our live session?
sir, it depends upon the audience. They will be asking the questions.
No. In our live session, the 2-3 live session we have done. How many questions used to come? 30, 40
Sir,
or less?
no, sir, not so much.
Sir,
Sir, it depends.
that totally depends on the time constant. We take up questions according to the time constants only.
It
Okay.
doesn't mean that whatever questions will come, we have to take up. It depends upon the time constraint. And sir, it depends means how many users are asking the questions. Because
Okay.
usually in our webinar, we tell our juniors to at least ask one question of their doubt related to the topic. So there are many
Okay.
questions during this session,
Okay.
and we just pick up the best questions.
Okay.
And sir, for this host who will be hosting, there is an option here, so you can see comments.
Yes. The only directly basically the speaker can comment or host can comment here.
Sir, in this comment, you can directly comment. The speaker can comment. Speaker can't comment, only the host. Those who have logged into this site, they can
Okay.
directly comment, and it will be posted on the YouTube channel directly.
Okay. Okay.
And there is an option called private chat here.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. In this private chat, you can talk with the guests. Like suppose I have entered hi. Uh, Professor Samuel can view it only. Subham has also posted.
Okay. Only Samal can view, but okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This will be
Sir,
because
basically it's like a personal chatting
Between
platform.
the
Like,
two. Yes.
yeah, yes, sir. In the comment section, whatever we will post, that will be visible in the YouTube only. YouTube
Mm-hmm.
only. But in the private
No,
chat, if you want
YouTube
to
only if you select. If you select, then
yes,
only it will
sir.
be visible.
No, sir,
no,
but
no,
it will
sir.
be posted in the YouTube.
It will be
It
posted
will
on
be
YouTube
it
and
will be shown in the screen if you select it. But whatever comment they are presenting in the comment section, that will be posted in YouTube only. And if you want to talk among the guests or the host and all, you can use that private chat option. In the private chat, whatever you will type, that will not be shown to the YouTube members. Like the audience can't see it. Only the ones who are in the stream, they can only have access to it. Like it's a
Okay.
private chat.
Okay, private chat I understand. Only
yes.
doubt is that if you comment somewhere, but if you select, then only it will be live in the YouTube. No, otherwise
No, sir.
how
If
they
you
can?
select, it will be visible on the screen like this.
Okay,
But if
otherwise it will be.
anyone, if you comment or any people comment, then it will be directly posted in the YouTube. Like
YouTube. Okay,
commenting
okay,
on Facebook, it is visible to all.
okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
So it will be visible to all. And if you
Mm-hmm.
select the comment, then it will be visible on the screen.
On the screen. Okay, okay,
In
got
this private chat, you can just talk with the guest in
it.
this private chat. And suppose you want to ask the guest which question to pick, and are you free and all.
So
So
suppose there is multiple speakers. Suppose Samal is there and Shubham is there. Both are the
yes, sir.
speaker here.
All this
Okay.
is like a group chat.
Okay, then
Sir,
Samal and Shubham
private
both
chat
can
is
see.
like chatting option. Yes, sir.
No, private chat basically if you somebody type here, then Samal and that Shubham also
Yes, sir.
both can see.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Whoever you
Okay,
are stream, whoever
Video
is
they
on
can
in
see.
the stream, they can see that.
okay, okay.
Like now, me, Samal sir, and Armandev is on the studio, so they can see that whatever is written in the private chat.
Great. Okay, okay.
Through private chat, you can ask the speaker to for the time limit or taking up questions or like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. So this is the thing. Sir, other thing is that you can add and remove is the basic thing, share screen, and how to invite a guest. So that is
Okay.
the basic thing. And then after you have completed the complete video, means the
Mm-hmm.
video has been live. Now you want to end it, and after the vote of thanks, you can just press the end broadcast,
Broadcast, yes.
and then you will be asked to end broadcast. Then just click it.
Okay. Then have to upload this in YouTube.
So no, it will be
Sir,
automatically
it
off.
will be automatically uploaded after ending the broadcast. You will be no more live. You will be
Okay.
redirected to the StreamYard screen like this only. There will be the YouTube video will be over till now,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
YouTube
and
video
it
will
will
be
be
uploaded.
automatically uploaded in the YouTube. You don't need to
YouTube.
do any extra work.
Okay. Okay.
And
And
you will
sir, you
still be
can
there in the studio. You can talk with the
yes,
speaker. You can discuss.
and you can invite the guest from the StreamYard screen itself. So you can see that besides the share screen option, there is an option called invite.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This
Yes.
You can invite your guest using this only, this
right.
also.
Copy to
Okay.
Yes, sir.
clipboard, or directly you can mail the professor. Suppose someone from
Mail.
the,
Yes.
but
Okay.
sir, you have to take care that this link
To the
doesn't get.
audience.
Yes, sir. So
Okay.
suppose someone unknown has joined, like Subham, he has joined, and you don't want him on the screen. Means
Mm.
anyone who joins, he will be in the backstage like this. They won't
Okay.
be on
Yes.
the screen.
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
you don't want him on the screen. So just click this, kick from studio.
Okay. Okay.
He will be removed, and if you put ban from studio, then they won't be able to join the studio again, even if they have the
Okay.
link.
Okay. Okay.
And sir, one more thing, a maximum of 6 people can be on the screen
Live.
at a time,
Okay. Now
and
suppose
10
more than
people
if
can
there is
be.
more than 12, more than 6, so only 6 we have to select
Sir, only six. Yeah, yes, sir. If, a maximum of 10 people can be present in the studio, and 6 people can be on the screen.
live. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Maximum of 6 and 10 can be in the studio,
Mm-hmm.
and at a time everyone can share their screen. All can share their screen, but the host will only be able to add the screen to the.
Select. Yes. 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 On the live session, how to
Yes,
who
sir.
will be on the live? That is. Okay.
Likewise, now both Subham and Professor Samuel, they can add their screen. They can this share their screen, but it will be the host. Means here Sesht is the host. He can only just add them to the screen. But
Okay. Right.
whoever has logged in to this website,
They
and
can be
suppose,
ready. They can be ready with the uploading all the things.
yes, sir, they can upload
Yes.
it earlier beforehand,
Okay.
and
Yes.
if
Yes.
the screen can be in the backstage, and
Yes.
whenever required, you can add it to the screen.
Edit the screen. Yes.
Yes, sir. Another thing is that suppose Subham is sharing his screen, and you are the host, and if you share the screen at that time, then
Mm-hmm.
the screen will be directly shared on the stream.
Okay. Basically, host will be
So
the prime thing. Yeah.
yes, sir. If host is sharing the screen, then
Net
it will not be in the backstage. It will be directly in the stream. So
live.
you have
Yes.
to remove it from the stream and then add again others.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you have to
And
take
sir,
care of it.
in this case, host is the one who has joined in using login details in the StreamYard platform, not using the guest invite link.
Yes. 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 So basically, yeah.
Yes, sir. And
Basically, host of the
multiple
upper hand.
hosts can be present.
Multiple hosts can be present to control
Yes,
all
sir.
the things.
Yes, sir. Multiple, because in our webinar,
Mm-hmm.
usually Subham and me, both of us remain at the host, and sometimes
Okay.
even Satyadeep also remain at the as the host.
Okay. And there is one guy who has the good commenting skill. Who is that student? The junior student here?
Sir,
Sir,
others.
Adarsh Swarnakar
Others.
from second.
Okay. Second year. Actually, he has some commentator skill. He used to
Yes, sir.
comment
There
very
are many
nice.
others also in our
Okay.
club. If you require in some time, then you can tell us. We'll just
Okay. No, actually, that problem, that workshop or if that program is for 5 days for 2 hours, 2 hours slot. Okay.
yes.
So the problem will be with you that you will have some class that time. That will be the problem. Okay. Other we will do one thing. I'll share the. So suppose there is some program is going on. Okay, we'll share the timetable with you, and whoever is present there, they can help us that time. So suppose you
Yes, sir.
don't have class
Usually
that
we have
time slot.
department class only, so
Yes, yes.
you can talk to professors for that.
Sir,
It's
it's
okay.
better before streaming, you should have at least 3 or 4 demo sessions like this.
Okay, okay. With the speaker or
No,
with
Sir,
among
among
ourselves.
yourself only. Among
Okay,
yourself
okay.
only,
the
you should have
speaker's
at least three
task
or
will be
four.
just to speak.
Yes, sir.
And
The
one
speaker
more
will
thing.
He won't be
the
controlling
speaker
it.
will be joining at the stream only, so he doesn't need to do any extra thing about that because
Yes,
you can
yes.
brief him about the functionality before 30 or 40 minutes of the live session.
Okay. So to
But
be
before
handy
that,
with this is to be handy with this StreamYard, we should have 3 4 sessions.
yes, sir, 3 4
Okay.
demo sessions you should have at least.
Okay. And one more thing, one student probably Satyadeep told me there is some limitation of 10 GB like thing. What
Yes,
is
sir.
that?
In a month you can stream up to maximum 10 hours. Yes, sir.
10
10.
hours,
No,
10
sir.
hours in a
20
month,
hours. I suppose 20 hours.
20 hours in YouTube
Yes, sir. Sir, I am checking it. Just a minute. First.
in a month. So that is good.
Yes, sir. Sir, and another thing, you can directly delete it here.
Okay.
Delete it here.
If you delete
Uh,
it from here, then
you
what will
can also
happen?
download the recording of the video.
Okay. Okay.
And you can
Okay.
use on YouTube this. You can after it is done, so it will be there in the past broadcast. You can enter the studio. Means I have left the studio, but
Mhm.
Professor Samal and Subham, they are still in the studio.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Even if the host leaves, they can still remain in the studio if they want.
Mhm.
And sir, whatever changes you do in StreamYard platform, it will be directly reflected in YouTube channel of yours.
How?
Sir, because the broadcast is directly linked to StreamYard.
Yes,
If
sir.
you change
Suppose
anything in
suppose
StreamYard,
if I delete it
like
from
if
here,
you have
Yes, sir. If you
edited
delete it from here,
yes, sir,
then
that
it
will
will
be
be.
it will delete it from
deleted
YouTube
from
also.
YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm
Yes,
showing you this
sir.
option. Delete. Then it is there will be option to delete the broadcast or delete it on YouTube.
Okay. Okay.
So if
Okay.
I'm selecting the delete in YouTube, so the video will be deleted.
Deleted. If do not select, then YouTube will be there, but you can delete from StreamYard.
Yes, sir. And also,
Okay.
sir, in my account, you can check the other things like settings. Sir, it is maximum up to 20 GB, 20 hours or 30 hours. 6 screen, 20 hours per month.
20 hours per month. Okay,
Yes,
per
but
month. Okay.
sir, if you have exhausted your 20 hours, then you just need to create another account,
In the StreamYard.
means another Gmail ID. Then you
Okay.
just have to link it to the YouTube channel, the same YouTube channel, and you just
Okay.
have to play it.
Okay. Then there is no need.
In our
Only
ICS, yes, sir, in our this Institute Counseling Service, we had exhausted this 20 hours. So we just
okay.
created another Gmail account and linked it to the YouTube channel, same YouTube channel.
So what you used to do in the counseling center?
Sir, we had a number of talks, departmental talks, then other talks sessions. Means it
Yes.
was a series, Pathshala series.
Okay. Who is conducting that?
Sir, we had conducted, means this Institute Counseling Service we had conducted.
Who is the faculty advisor?
Sir, we have the professor in charge,
Okay.
Professor
Okay.
Kesipati.
Kesipati. Okay. 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 So what you used to do in the counseling center? The Pati also, Professor Pati also used to come.
No, sir, he usually doesn't come to these functions.
Then only you people used to counsel
Yes, sir,
that.
we completely managed it. In that, we used to call some pass out students of different
Okay.
various branches, and they used to give brief
Talk.
talks about their academic, means how to cope up with academics. For
Okay.
every
Okay.
department, we conducted a separate for every department.
Okay. Okay. So basically, that is hosted by SEST club or that is
No,
another
no, no,
club,
sir. That is for different. So in
different
that,
club.
we
Okay.
had adjusted this 20 hours. So we just
Okay.
made another Gmail ID and we linked
Okay.
it to the same YouTube channel.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. So there is means effectively you can say it is basically free.
Free.
And suppose the institute is doing something, So there should not be the StreamYard logo in the video. So for that you can pay for it
Okay, okay.
for the StreamYard logo. But if it is manageable, means there won't be any effect of the StreamYard logo, then no need to pay.
It's okay. It's for us, it's nothing.
Yes, sir.
It is better to go with free because money is a
And also,
constant
sir,
for us.
once you have reached the 1000 subscriber, then you can
Okay.
directly do it without the StreamYard.
1000. Okay, okay. In the YouTube.
Yes, sir. 1000 subscribers.
YouTube.
But okay, for the CIS club, we have 100 only right now.
Yes, sir. We just
100 level.
started it before a month.
Okay. You do one thing. I already. Okay. Professor Samuel, Professor Raki, do you have any doubt? Any questions?
Yeah, I do have a doubt. Like, I want to ask, how can we have multiple or one or more hosts?
You just
Then,
have to. Yes, sir,
they
that
will
one
need to log in using the StreamYard login details. Like in the StreamYard website, you have to log in using your
Yes, sir.
email ID, whatever you have registered with, and the login code. Then you
Madam,
will
first,
be accessed
madam,
as the mentor.
you have to invite through the link, StreamYard link.
No, sir. No, sir. Sir, I am showing that step
Oh, okay.
again.
Host, multiple hosts, basically you have to sign in with your username and password in the
Sir,
StreamYard.
no password will be there. You just need to sign in with the email ID. Sir, I am showing
Email.
it just once.
Okay, okay. So, yes.
Sir, suppose my screen is visible, sir.
Yeah, your screen is visible.
Yes, you just need to search the StreamYard. So I'm closing the others. In this here, there is a login. Means after you have created your account is already created. So there is an option called login. You just need to press your email ID there. Email ID. Then email ID means the email ID of the account, the same account. Then get login code. Then you'll get a login code in your Gmail. It will be either there in the inbox or in the spam messages. Here I got it in then you'll get this code. You just need to copy it. So just after pressing this login code, anyone can join it. And once you have joined, then it will always remain logged in your this laptop.
Now another one can join as a host.
Sir, same
They
only.
need to
can just enter the email ID.
follow the same procedure only in their respective web
Subham,
browsers.
so you also join as a host. Let me see here only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Subham, you enter my email ID. You know.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, that same email ID need to enter.
Yeah, same email
Yeah.
ID. Then you'll get a login code in your email. The same email.
Okay.
Then
Got
you
it.
just need to put the code in that. Then you will join. And after joining, you can my YouTube channel is already linked. I had linked it earlier, so it will always remain linked in this account. So you just need to create a broadcast, select the YouTube channel, then just give all the details. Suppose
Okay,
demo
title
2.
discussion. Yes, ठीक है, got
Demo
it.
2. Here public you have to press, then upload the thumbnail image. The thumbnail image should be this horizontal shape like this. Apply and this time you have to schedule the time. Then just create the broadcast.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. So after creating the broadcast, then it will be same for everyone. So sir, usually two people, if you the host, then it will be better because suppose there is a network issue with one, then the other can handle it.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So then after that, just enter the broadcast.
So with same email ID.
Sir.
So for multiple hosts, same user ID and the password should be used. Means that
No, not password.
No, sir. Same user ID and the login code that will be sent at that time.
That was the mail.
Yes,
suppose
sir. Whenever you log in.
Suppose StreamYard, you have one mail ID. Okay. For the CIS club. Okay. For the civil engineering department.
Yes, sir. We have only one mail ID.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The same mail ID have to use by all the hosts. Okay.
Yes,
so once
sir.
the host put that, suppose you want to join as a second member, as a second host, you have to give the same email ID, and code will go to that particular email ID. Okay, and
That
whoever
same
the
email ID
control.
will go at
Yes.
that time.
Again,
whenever
then
you log in.
same process.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. And after that, you just put the login code and you can enter the channel. And once you enter the channel, you will always remain logged in. Means you won't be logged out unless you want.
Okay, so I want just a bit of more clarification. Like, if I am a host and having a live session, so
Yes.
can a second host join after 20 minutes or so?
Yeah, anytime they can join
Anytime,
anytime.
Oh,
Because this is just like an account. Whenever you want to enter the broadcast, and even if after you have started your live session, anyone can join it.
Ma'am, actually till they or he or she have the email ID and all the access to the StreamYard account, they can join at any time as per their convenience.
And sir, suppose the speaker, three speakers are there and two have already joined, and you need to go live at that moment, and the other is late. So even he can join the stream later whenever he wants, even if you have started the YouTube live.
Okay, that will show in the background
Yes, sir. But they will be added to the backstage.
in the host.
Means
Yes, yes.
anyone who joins, he will be first added to the backstage.
Backstage and
Then the host can
and the
add to the
yes,
screen.
yes. Yeah, host can add to the
And
screen.
if someone has joined as a host, even if he will be there in the backstage, but he has to add himself to the stream. Suppose I joined, I am in the backstage, I'll add myself to the stream.
Okay.
Basically, the host has the complete access over the platform.
Yes, sir.
He
And
can
it
do,
will,
he or she can do anything he wants.
Okay.
yes, sir. And this one will be visible here till it is completed. Till the live session is completed, it will be, you have ended the broadcast, it will be visible here in the
Okay.
upcoming broadcast. And you
here
can
also,
edit it.
okay.
And
Enter.
yes, sir. After you have made this broadcast, suppose your video is scheduled after 2 days. So you just need to share this view on YouTube.
So, okay, we have to share this link to the audience that you can
Students.
join.
Yes.
To the student. Yes, you can join
This
this
link
link.
to the student
No.
and this invite as a guest. This link to the speakers or
Yes.
to whoever will be joined to the stream.
Stream, yes, in the live session. Yeah.
Yes, sir. That is everything, and this share screen and all, it is similar to this Microsoft Teams only.
And sir, the number is including the number of speakers and the number of moderators. There are only 6 members can join at a time in the StreamYard studio.
Yes.
Means to the stream, to the screen, and at a time 10 people can be present in the studio.
In the studio, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Professor Rakhi, do you have any doubt? Any other doubt?
8 and
so
6.
sir, I think it is clear till now. But when we'll have the live session or we'll have demo sessions, then if some question arises, then we might need to travel you people again, I think.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, if you have some other doubt, you just note it down. Okay,
Uh-huh.
we'll meet one more day later on.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Shubham, Aditya, and your Armandev. Thank you very much.
One question actually. Hello.
Yes.
Sir.
You have told that during the time when guests are giving the talks, so that the host should turn off their microphone. Otherwise, the sound and the echo will come.
Yes, sir.
Like
That sound and all problem will be there. So you just need to
when someone is speaking anything, then others should be unmute mode to avoid any disturbances or echo noises.
Host can do that.
Yes, sir, but it depends on the guest only, because the guest has to give access to the host. Unless and until the guest accepts that request, host can't do anything.
the host can only
No,
mute them, but he
I'm
can't
saying that
unmute them.
suppose
The guest
okay,
can only mute them, but he can't
cannot
unmute them.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all the guests should turn off their microphone, and then again when they will speak, they'll turn on the microphone like that.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Whatever message you want to convey, you can convey that in the private chat section only. It's convenient to use that section for any
Okay,
type of communication mm, among the speakers or guests.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir. Sir, you can leave.